Start the day, cup of soda. I think there's a tow truck right there from where my Evo breaks down. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are starting this vlog off at a gas station, and we are going to my buddy's, Josh Bader's shop. He's having a little shop party today, and I think I'm gonna drive his Evo 8 maybe later. It's like 1,000, it made like 1,000 horsepower. Or I keep seeing Evo 8, it's Evo 9 SE. Made like 1,000 horsepower, but first off, we need to go wash my car. Just a quick spray down and get all the mud off of there. And what are you eating? A stick of meat? Ow, don't bang my head.
I got a drip on your forehead. Holy hot. This thing is hot. Holy crap.
Get my rims. Oh, that's like nut worthy.
I don't like to make the effort. Hello.
What's up, Andrew?
Don't mind the head wound.
What happened?
Paper towel holder.
That looks pretty good. Right? Oh, thanks, Jack.
This butt is better than your butt.
We won't do it when the camera's on. Be me here in a minute with the 85 and you.
I know.
Your car's going on E. This thing's not loud at all.
It's so loud.
What are you doing in the back seat there, Haas?
Isn't Bader gonna ride in here?
Yeah, he is. Go for a ride.
Dang, I felt that under the seat.
You jumping in here too?
Oh yeah,
All
I
right.
gotta reminisce the old car.
I don't know what Bader's doing, but I'm fucking taking off in his car. Later, bitches. I ain't coming back.
Are we really not coming back to pick him up?
No, I'm just gonna go drive it a little bit, just for fun. Dude, it's gonna fucking blow up. That's all she gets for now.
What?
Dude,
more?
Just wait. Wait till Bader's in here. What? You know what clutch this is?
XCD triple.
I like it. Yeah. It feels like literally like stock.
Yeah.
It's like all right in your face, all the exhaust. All right, Bader, if you start getting pulled over today, don't run from the fucking cops. Okay, we'll pull over. Yeah, pull over. What does this make right now? Like 1,000? 2,000 plus? Right over 1,000 horsepower in this bitch. God damn. Yep. Don't fucking overheat it. Ouch. Ouch. That smells good, bro. I like to smell antifreeze. I love when shit breaks, bro. Good job. Yep. That means you're hauling ass.
Means we lifted ahead.
He's like, what the fuck? She's fast, bro. Not as fast as the STI.
You guys think it's a similar one? Yep, same one.
Freeze plug?
Freeze plug.
Vader always breaks shit.
Well, I guess you're right, Ronnie. We got to put a head gasket on it. We may have lifted the head when we were tuning it. So car's on 45, 48 pounds right now. And this happened while we were tuning it. I was going to put a new head gasket on it, but I just put another freeze plug in it. So
That's the way we roll.
old Devin over here.
He even
What's up,
used
bud?
Loctite this time though too.
You did?
I did use Loctite.
Hey.
It will not work, guys. But he wanted to feel it, so.
Yeah, it feels fast. Is that not the fastest car you've ever been in?
I don't know.
What have you been in that's faster than that?
I think it is.
Was the GTR faster?
Hold on, we'll put you in it.
Vader, she said my Evo's faster than yours. She said it.
I didn't say anything, I swear.
She's implying it, bro.
Poor little car.
Rips. This is exactly why I'm fine with like 500-600 horsepower.
Double it.
We're gonna be fixing the Evo 9, and I have this idea of having Bobby drive the car, provided it runs. Think it'll still run, David?
Oh yeah, it's almost done.
It's almost done. Shit. If you guys want to see Bobby's video of her driving this 1,000 plus, 3,000 horsepower Evo 8,
3,000.
Evo 9, then go head over to her channel, top right corner, go peep it.
I heard she got the GTRs all the time.
She does an Evo 10, dude, all the time.
It's insane.
I do
Yeah.
what?
You got GTRs.
Oh.
Evo 10 would beat that car behind you.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't think so.
How's it going over here, sir?
We already got our new freeze plug in.
You have a new head gasket in there too?
No.
Basically, this car has a blown head gasket, or it starts lifting the head above like 40-ish PSI, but my buddy Josh threw a new freeze plug in the block, and so Bobby's gonna go drive the car, and if she stays under like 20, 30 PSI, we should be good, and it will lift the head and it won't blow that freeze plug out of the block. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Probably can't hear me right now because this car is loud as hell. Are you scared?
Yeah. It's not your car, so it makes me scared.
Bobby just got done driving the car. What do you think? How was it?
It's a lot of fun. It's a little too fast for me. Like I didn't even hammer down all the way.
It's a max boost, like 48 PSI. Yeah. And she was hitting maybe like 25 PSI. But yeah, guys, go check out the video. It's on her channel. Go peep it. All right, what are we doing, boys? E85 in the GTR? Full sned, David.
Full sned. Is this gonna reach?
This is gonna be my life in about a week.
Oh, I know. A week?
You too, you're doing the 85. So we just put some E85 in the GTR. I think it's like 77% right now. What's it at right now?
It is slow.
It is slow, but...
Hasn't shook up yet. It's over 50 though.
Are you gonna drive it?
No, I'll let him.
I'll drive?
No, I'm good.
What do you think it's making right now, like E50?
Probably around 800.
800. So last time we drove this GTR, it was making like 630 at the wheels. Right now it's on like partially 85, it's on flex fuel, so I think it's like 65, 70. Is it like 70% E85 right now? 65%, so 850 at the wheels right now. So we're gonna go for a little ride and see how it feels. I'm kind of scared. Again, is this what you gotta do for the GTR life? Is just erase check engine lights all day?
This is power light.
Power light?
This is the new baby GTR. We're learning what we're doing.
Whoa. She likes to spin.
Clutch is overheated.
Really?
Yeah.
I was wondering what that was. Damn. Dude, that throws you back in your goddamn seat real quick. Oh my god.
It's that tire. Good luck.
I literally have like the worst anxiety ever right now.
the tranny.
Oh.
That is fast. That's not it, dude. I don't want to rev
Wait,
it out,
don't
bro.
be freaking a weenie.
Oh.
Okay?
Bobby, you want to rev it?
No. No, I'm good.
Just wait. I gotta get warmed up here a little bit. Oh my fucking god. Dude. That's nuts. It's so crazy. It's just like so stable too.
Let's see if that one goes.
It's so stable.
Yeah.
When we were doing like 30 miles an hour back there, you know. Controllable with it, dude. It's just like planted the whole time. Even if it's spinning, you can still go straight. She gets down.
That feels really, really safe. Like it's super safe.
What fun is feeling safe? The 8 is, or the 9's fun because you're like all over the road.